Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to organize a content calendar in Monday.com, the complete 2025 guide. First off, log into your Monday.com account and create a new board. This will be your central hub. The reason we do this is that it makes it easier to manage all your content in one place. Now that we've done that, let's add some columns. These can be dates for publication, content types, stages of production, responsible teams or individuals, whatever works for your content strategy. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. These columns help you keep track of your content and plan ahead effectively, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Next, let's populate this board. Start filling in your columns with your planned content. The beauty of Monday.com is its flexibility. You can add, edit, or move items around as needed. This helps us because it allows us to adapt to changes or new content opportunities swiftly. Now, let's set up some automations. This might sound complex, but I assure you it's straightforward in Monday.com. You can automate reminders before due dates, status changes when tasks are completed, and more. The reason we do this is to save time and maintain consistency in our content production. Finally, don't forget to invite your team members to the board and assign them to their respective tasks. This step is crucial because it fosters collaboration and ensures everyone knows what they're responsible for. Let me explain why all this matters. A well-organized content calendar in Monday.com can streamline your content creation process, ensure timely publication, and promote team collaboration. And that's it. You've now learned how to organize a content calendar in Monday.com. Remember, the tool is flexible, so feel free to adjust this process to suit your unique needs. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep creating amazing content.